Ever felt stuck trying to build something in Magento 2? Is your Magento code getting messy and complicated to maintain? Let's break down Magento 2 design patterns, what they are, why they matter, and how they save you time. Magento 2 design patterns keep your code clean, make it easier to fix stuff, and help everything run smoother. They cut down on repetitive work, which boosts performance. You don't rewrite what's already been solved. Lazy loading delays loading until you actually need something. The factory pattern is clean, flexible, and perfect for creating a new version of something on demand. A singleton pattern is a single instance for things like session management or app-wide settings. Dependency injection, DI, involves passing dependencies into a class instead of hard coding them. It makes your code modular and easy to tweak. The observer pattern listens for the order-placed event and handles the rest automatically. It listens and reacts. You can add it without touching the core code. Preference pattern customizes your core feature. Preferences let you swap it out with your version. No hacking of the core files. The patterns help you write cleaner code that's easier to fix. Save time by reusing solutions and make your code more flexible. Show code examples with before-after comparisons. Use simple diagrams to explain pattern relationships and include real Magento 2 interface examples. Design patterns are your toolkit. They save you time, keep your code tidy, and make future changes painless. Want Magento design patterns to make your life way easier? Hit subscribe if you wish to get more Magento development tips.